I found out that not only the thing that is important that we find life, not only just to find other species, this is the changing game, and the scientists know that Hawking knows. Listen to this. If we find out life, we can find out how we came to be, how male, female, how it came to be. We can find out how the diseases came. The origin of diseases, the origin of viruses is still unknown. We can answer these questions. We can answer probably any question, or almost any question. I think, possibly any question. So I think it's very crucial we find life. It's been said that, we were transported to Earth from Alpha Centauri as already Homo sapiens, but gradually grew. Now, how did that come to be? Maybe it was like a super entity of some sort, alien or something that did it, had the power to do that, which probably thinking, not a god, but an alien, or some super alien of some sort. And then they evolved through another means of Darwinian evolution, advanced Darwinian evolution, which is Hawking and crosslinks. And there you go. There you go, no God. So that solves how everything can be with no God. And then the other thing is, universes can come to being, can create some with the laws. How the laws get there? That being put it there. Boom, no God. So if you think about it like a supercell, and it's been said that there was a supercell before it split into the cells of animals, trees, and humans. So there was at one time a supercell. And so that leaves the most amazing mystery. And maybe people think it's Alpha Centauri is where we originated. And if that's the truth, maybe that's where the intelligent life is. At least one of the intelligent life. Maybe there's different alien species, Maybe there's just like so many, and they just evolved from different evolutions. Or maybe it's just rare like us. Just very few intelligent species out there. Nonetheless, I like to see plants on different world. Just imagine plants or little creatures from different world. And food. So I'm thinking probably some kind of super alien probably put the laws and forces. And if they didn't, maybe just evolved through other means we don't understand yet, other technology we don't understand yet. So yes, it's absolutely possible. Everything, you should really think hard enough. There could be no deity, never a deity involved. Which is, I just explained how it all could be with no deity. So, and we know deities are never going to come down, and it's, what was the deity doing billions of years, decided to interfere and create humans. So that deity doesn't exist. And then the deity of no religion wouldn't make any sense either. So I don't think it's a deity. I think it's a super, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, alien super species of some sort, which Hawking Cross agrees. They advanced through a different form of evolution, advanced Darwinian evolution. We got transported as already Homo sapiens, so maybe there wasn't, like I said, we're getting closer and closer. There wasn't so many transitions as we thought. Remember, but that being said, there can be a flaw in that because Dawkins thinks was the aquatic ape, but there's flaws in that. So that means it's possible maybe we were transported as Homo sapiens from Alpha Centauri, not the planet, and that would explain a lot easier than from fish to chimpanzee to human. Well, the human that evolved from a chimpanzee, common ancestor. So, if we find life, it's not only alien life, it's intelligent. It's not only just finding intelligent, it's to solve the whole mystery, possibly, of existence, all existence, why we exist, how did it come to exist, the most mind-blowing mystery. You know, scientists have already found out. They put a balloon up there and they had like this alien gel or something, this parasite that wasn't from Earth, just galactic like fluid. Now you think of Ghostbusters Slimer. Mars, we have bad backs. Childbirth for females, the head. We're the only species that have the childbirth pain. The head's too big. It has nothing. No other species has that. Think about that. 25-hour clocks like Mars, which we have a 25-hour clock, not 24. The sun can hurt our eyes. The plants can kill us. Foods can kill us. There's humans out here that don't feel we don't belong on Earth. Viruses, bacteria. So it doesn't sound like we're from Earth originally. It sounds like the scientists were transported from possibly Alpha Centauri as already Homo sapiens. And this is, you know, like I said, I never was a believer. Like I was 7 years old or something, and lightning, thunderstorm. I spent, it's like that's God bowling. You know, even though I wasn't doctrine and religion, just didn't make any sense. And you know, if there was a God, you would have in your brain, without a book full of contradictions, that without a doubt that you would know at birth there was some kind of deity, you know, revealed to you in your brain already, without anybody telling you. And there's no such thing as that. So that's why, you know, there's no God. Like, so, you know, God lightning bowling just didn't make sense at age. And from kid to adult, now these mystery and how far we got, you know, with the thing we found in the Big Bang, the liquid from the early of the universe. What was it? Quantum fluid or something? I can't remember what it was called now. Anyways, you know, and then panspermia, life over all over the cosmos. We're getting closer, and now I really want to know. You know, just ask yourself. You know, where did your hands, the lines come from? How did they get there? You know, why is there lines on your feet? Why is there lines on your hands? There could have been no lines on your hands. So it's a mystery that we have to find out. I need to know. Believing is not enough. It's enough for some people to believe in the faith. Me, I need to know what happened. I need to know. I want to know, and I only want to know how I need to know. You know what I'm saying? And some people's belief is enough. An imaginary deity. For me, I need to know what happened. Obviously, something happened. Obviously, you know, things evolved somehow, and I need to know, and I want to know how and why. I think it's very exciting. I think everybody should know. Everybody was like that. Would have a better society. Believing in something you can't see. You know, have this imaginary God, and then we're gonna keep on looking for the answer, because there's something freaky happened. Obviously, we still understand a virus and diseases, the origin, how that came to be about. You know, we can say how viruses caused, but we don't know how it came to be about. And if we find life is possible, because we're bacteria. Our body has bacteria that can harm us and help us. So we evolved from bacteria. But if you take it back, cyanobacteria. Why is that? You know, people can say, it's God, it's all God. You know, God made the universe, God made the bacteria, God made viruses. And when I asked somebody out there, a believer, and, you know, why would God give virus and disease? Yes, God did that. I'm like, what? That doesn't make any sense. The theist would never make any sense if you really think about it. The way I'm wired, the way to, you know, critically think, doesn't make any sense. And we know the flaws of religion and contradictions. So we need to know how viruses came to be about. We need to know how diseases, the origin of how that came to be about. Why cyanobacteria? Why did we evolve from bacteria? If you really take it back as far and think about it, you know, about the human involvement or whatever, evolving from bacteria. Why? I want to know why. I need to know why. I think it's important because we are a species, and there's other species. That's why it's so critical to finding potential life. And with the Breakthrough Initiative, maybe possible. And if we can go to Alpha Centauri, which we can build a warp drive, we can get there in 2 hours to Alpha Centauri. Leave us at 2 hours. Very, very quickly. Because it's probably one of our closest stars. So, we need to know what happened. You know, and like people say, God did it, not an explanation. Things evolved, some kind of unknown process. You know, we wouldn't have got this far if the Hadron Collider explained the liquid of the beginning of the universe. God did it all, right? It's some explanation. It's an explanation. We don't know yet, but we need to find out. I want to know. I need to know how everything came to be, why I exist. It's the greatest mystery ever. It's the greatest mystery of humankind. It really is. That's where we have to find life. And I'll still be excited, you know, finding plant life on other alien worlds. See how, you know, they said the plant life might be different than green, but it might be brown because they evolved through different photosynthesis, which is how plants get the nutrients, and the sunlight's different, you know. And then the moon, what is it called, the blue, when the moon rose, Mars was blue instead of yellow. I mean, the sun was blue instead of orange. So, very critical, and we have to find it. And I think we will. That's the only way we can advance, is go up further than not advance. Science will always find a way. And I think the mystery's really freaky and bizarre what happened way back then, and how we evolved through cyanobacteria. Really freaky. I need to know what happened. That's all there is to it. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen.